In 2022, Apple became the first company ever to reach a $3 trillion valuation, after hitting $1 and $2 trillion in 2018 and 2020 respectively. As one of the world's most valuable brand, it didn't hurt that Apple's global sales revenue in 2022 was around $394 billion. Its revolutionary products, the Mac, iPhone, iPad and more, were game changers that redefined industries and has an impressive 90% customer loyalty rate. With its immersive shopping experience, Apple stores wove magic that kept customers coming back for more. Under its services and subscriptions, the App Store and Apple Music among others brought in a steady income, which attracted more investors. With its cash reserve, Apple has bought back billions of its own stock. This strategy has reduced available shares and boosted the stock price, but also makes it hard to tell how much of the company's valuation is driven by innovation or speculation. What do you think? Was Apple's $3 trillion journey driven by innovation, strategy, or financial wizardry? Let us know in the comments below.